Welcome back, students. In this current lecture series, in the part 2, we will discuss the remaining institute around the Gujarat. So now the region is Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar, central Gujarat. So we know there is one of the oldest state university, Gujarat University. So it was actually established in 1920, and after the independence in 1949, it is transformed into the Gujarat University. So this Gujarat University offering basic and advanced both kind of PG programs and diploma courses. You can see MSc only 50 seats for granting aid. And students, you know that or may not know, but when you change the university, so every university reserved 80-90% of the city for their own university student, and outside the university only few seats are available. So the seats for the other university students are very limited in every other university. So 80-90% are reserved for their own university students. MSc Biotechnology, it is a granting aid department, granting aid course only for 22 students. MSc in Life Science, granting aid 30 students. MSc Bioinformatics, it is a self-finance and seats are 15. MSc Forensic Science, it is a self-finance and 50 seats total. MSc in Pharmaceutical Science, 33 seats, self-finance. MSc Clinical Research. This program is in collaboration with GSBTM, and the institute was named as Sivrat Center of Excellence in Clinical Research. So they offer both the program, MSc in Clinical Research and PG Diploma in Clinical Research. MSc in Environment Science, 15 students, granting aid department. MSc with Human Genetic, 10 seats, granting aid. So all the MSc programs, anywhere, you have to qualify for that one. So on the merit basis, on the entrance exam plus your last exams, final year's external exams, marks are considered for this one. MSc in Biomedical Technology, 30 seats, self-finance. MSc in Food Science and Nutrition, 30 seats. MSc in Toxicology, self-finance, 33 seats. MSc in Statistics. So what is the importance of statistics for the biology student? So if you are not aware, but any student who doing the survey kind of research in his biological, they always put their data in statistically form. So for that one, the biostatistic is important, and you can apply for this biostatistic job also. PGDMLT, 22 seats. PG Diploma in Plant Tissue Culture. PG Diploma in Biodiversity Management. So all these are the courses available in the premises of the Gujarat University. Apart from this university, there are other institutes running in the Ahmedabad which offer the courses. So this Keka Sastry Education Campus, it is a government science college, but it is a self-finance college. So this gives you the offer for the MSc Biotechnology. St. Xavier's College, it is an autonomous college and it gives the opportunity for the MSc in biochemistry and MSc in biotechnology. Gujarat Vidyapeeth. Gujarat Vidyapeeth is a university which was established by in 1920 by the Gandhiji, and after that in 1963 the India gave him as a deemed university status. So this MSc microbiology program is not operated at Ahmedabad, but it sister concerned institute near Gandhinagar at Sadra. Sadra is a biogas research and extension center where the Department of Microbiology is working, and MSc programs in microbiology, I think environment science is there, and other diploma courses is also there in Sadra. Nirma University. This Nirma University is a private university, and we know the name Nirma. The same foundation established the Nirma University, and they are offering the MSc in biochemistry, biotechnology, and microbiology. Many of the students who during their PG courses, they pass the NEET examination and slate examination from this institute. This is available. This institute is Sarkhes Gandhinagar Highway, Ahmedabad. Rai University, it is a university at near Dholka, Saroda, and Rai University offering dual BSc plus MSc courses in biotech microbiology and also MSc microbiology and biotechnology for you. Indus University, it offering the MSc clinical research. It offers the MSc in clinical research. So this is the Selja. Silver Rock University. This university offering the MSc in physics, chemistry, mathematics and microbiology. So it is opposite the Bhagwat Vidyapeeth, SG Road, Gota, Ahmedabad. You might not have heard this university name. Gujarat University of Transplantation Center. So this Gujarat University of Transplantation Center, it is a state university, and this university is in a civil hospital campus. So this is medical background based university, but you have a chance for diploma in MLT in this institute, and after 12th or after BSc you can go for PG diploma in dialysis technology. So these two courses for you in this institute. Otherwise this institute is provide the diploma doctor for the doctors MBBS and MDs. In the this civil hospital, the Gujarat Cancer and Research Society is there. So this institute is affiliated with BJ Medical College, and it is very known for the MLT. So many students since many years they do their MLT from BJ Medical College, Ahmedabad. So this institute gives you the courses, the MSc in Cancer Biology, certificate course in MLT, and course for Medical Radiotherapy Technologist. So this is a course where after learning this you can get the job in cancer treatment division of the same institute or similar institute. UN Mehta Institute of Cardiology and Research Center, affiliated to BJ Medical University College. So there are paramedical certificate and diploma courses are available where you can. Most of the programs are with the limited seats, and you have to qualify on merit basis. Fee are very lesser in this institute. So MLT, ABG laboratory technician, medical transcription, CSSD technician, infection control, practitioner, operation theater manager, and postgraduate diploma in extracorporeal technology, that is perfusion. So in this department, in this discipline, you can get the certificate courses from UN Mehta Institute of Cardiology and Research, affiliated to Vijay Medical College, Ahmedabad. In last decade, there are special institutes, special university has been established by the Gujarat government. Raksha Shakti University, it is a security and police university of the India. So in Raksha Shakti University, there is no course for you actually. But I refer the website and got that Master of Science in Forensic Science, MSc in Forensic Science. It is offered by Raksha Shakti University near this university is near Gandhinagar to Dehgaon Road. Ahmedabad University. It has earned the name in interior design, architecture and engineering and management courses. But I found that one more course is available in Ahmedabad University, that is MSc in Life Science. So you can apply for this one in the center of Ahmedabad. Sabarmati University, formerly Calorex Teachers University. So it has a long history of this university, and this university gives you the opportunity for BSc MLT. Other MLT institutes spanning in Ahmedabad, only few are covered in this one. Sri Vinayaka College, Kanoria Center for Medical Education. It is actually in Gandhinagar. Kanoria MLT is very famous among the students. Other is at Maninagar Indian Institute, NIIT Imperia at CG Road, Alice Bridge, Indian Institute of Advanced Research at Koba, Gujarat Institute of Medical Laboratory, Mithakadi, Vivekanand Hospital Institute of Medical Lab. It is also famous among the students, MLT from Vivekanand. Mediplanet Institute of Medical Science and CUSA Science College. So this all institute gives the MLT program. One more program, that is the MSc Clinical Research and Postgraduate Diploma in Clinical Research. It is provided by this Institute of Clinical Research India, ICRI. I do not have any information regarding to its affiliation and this one. It is in Thaltej. Okay. Similar institute offering MSc Clinical Research, but it is not in Ahmedabad. It is in Vadodara, JC Institute of Medical Science. Student, we know that there are open university for the peoples. More than 10,000 to 1 lakh students are learning throughout the year into this university. So this university have certificate courses. I found two courses which may useful to you. The certificate in food and nutrition and certificate in environmental studies. These two courses you may apply for the distance learning. So along with the other courses, you can learn these distance certificate courses. GSBTM, Gujarat State Biotechnology Mission, Department of Science and Technology, Government of Gujarat. It is working right now from the government. So this is not a college or any authority institute. This is an government authority, and it's used for financial support for the establishment of the courses, projects, and uh, many research training programs. So this department offering a few training program, and you can see on the website snapshot. So summer internship program this year, due to corona case, the program has been postponed or lifted up. But every year the biosafety online training program is there. Gujarat Integrated Biology Bio Network, through this one, many course crash workshops are run by this GSPTM. So it is very good institute for students of life science, and it work helpfully to all the students and institutes. GFSU, Gujarat Forensic Science University. It is the first university of its kind, and it is a state university. So it has been established in 2008, and this university having numbers of certificate course, diploma course, BSc, MSc programs, and PhD and research program. Among them, one few of are suitable for you. One is the MSc Forensic Science, MSc Food Technology, that is Forensic Food Analysis, MSc Environment Science, MSc Forensic Nanotechnology, and MBA in Hospital and Healthcare Management. So these are few courses are there. More courses you can see onto the website of this university. CUG, Central University of Gujarat. This is the of National Institute. It is a national institute, and it is operated by the central government. And central government give this university along with many 5 7 other university. So one we have, that is a Central University of Gujarat, and this university have the department School of Life Science, and in the School of Life Science, MSc in Life Science and MSc in Environment Science is running. IITE, Indian Institute of Teacher Education of Gujarat. So initially it was one of the institute, but after the development of other institute, this institute also converted into the state university in 2010. So in 2010, this university, this institute converted the university, and from this one you can get the B.Ed and M.Ed program. There is no specifically for microbiology and biology students. Kamdenu University, it is a state university established in 2009, and this university mainly work on veterinary fish and dairy technology. So this they have the courses MSc Dairy Technology, MSc Fisheries, and MSc Veterinary Science. So you have to check whether are you eligible for this PG program or not. Swarnim Startup and Innovation University. So if you see the name, you will understand it. It is a government university, but not there. This is a private university and established in 2017. It is at Adalaj. Institute for Advanced Research and Gandhinagar. Institute of Advanced Research, Gandhinagar. It is a private university established in 2011. It offers you the Master of Science program in chemistry, organic, analytical chemistry, physics, biotech, micro, life science, and environment science. Children's University. Children's University is a state university established in 2009, and this university generally offering very diverse courses, certificate, diploma. But if you are interested in social work, MSW, so you can apply over here. Otherwise, there is no course for you in Children's University. Indian Institute of Public Health, Gandhinagar. It offering one course, that is Master of Public Health, PMPH. Only three institute in the Gujarat which offering this course, Master in Public Health. You also go for the Masters of Hospital Administration, and other courses is there, Postgraduate Diploma in Public Health Management, PHM. So these courses are which are totally different from your subject microbiology and biotechnology, but these are the subject which related to the health, so you should show interest. Gujarat Maritime University, this is one of the private university at Koba, Gandhinagar. There is no course because this is for the international trade. Dhirubhai Ambani Institute of Information and Communication Technology. So this institute is at Gandhinagar, and it is for the engineering student, communications and other subject. So there is no course for you. CEPT, initially it was the college affiliated to the Gujarat University, but later on the CEPT was converted into the university. So this CEPT is available in Navarangpura, Ahmedabad. There is no course for you. You can see the courses on the screen, but there is no course for you. Physical Research Laboratory, there is no course. It is for the physics students. GLS, Gujarat Law Society University. It is a private university and it is for lawyers, means law and related subject. So there is no scope for you. PDPU, this institute offering MSc program in physics, chemistry and mathematics. It is a private university and Mukesh Ambani is the patron in this university. Swarnim Gujarat Sports University, it is a state university and there is no course for you in this university. Karnavati University. So these courses list are here on the screen. You are finding that there is no course for you. Anant National University. This was established 2016 and it is at Bhopal, Sanand Road, Ahmedabad. So there is no course for you in this university. Gujarat National Law University. This is the National Institute in Gandhinagar, Koba, and it is for law purpose. There is no course for you. GTU, it is very well known institute where we all the engineering colleges and pharmacy colleges and other technical institutes affiliated to this GTU. So there is no this course for you in this university. IITRM, it is a private institute, Institute of Infrastructure and Technology Research Management, and there is no course in this one. Similar, Indian Institute of Management, IIM, it is a very old institute and there is no course. And one private university here is the Lakulis Yoga University. So it is for yoga purpose, then there is no course. And NID, National Institute of Design, it is a private one, and it has many branches through across the India. Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar have this institute. So there is no scope for microbiology biotechnology student in this one. So this is all the institute I showed on the screen. They are in Gandhinagar.